That's all from the course view. Thanks for. So I hope you understand about the courses view, that how you can create some kind of new content and how all the tabs are working over there. Now the time to discuss about the class collaborate virtual classroom. This is another interesting and the new change and a major upgrade, because earlier you can find out the virtual classrooms on left side in the list, but now the name has been replaced with a new name, that is class collaborate. And inside class collaborate you can find out the similar options which earlier would have been like virtual classroom. So let's have a look at how does it work. Hi everyone, in this section we are going to explore a major change for virtual lectures. Just simply search your course, click on the course option, and once your course could have the view on the right side, you can find out course faculty, whoever the instructor for this course. You can find out their names, either one or more than one instructors are teaching. On the bottom you can find out details and actions. The first one, roster, courses image, class collaboration, attendance, books and tools. And in the end you can find out question banks. Here is one option available, that is class collaboration. So this is your new name for the virtual lectures. Earlier, so you can find out class collaborate in the list, that is third option for inside the course content area. So if you click on join session, it will automatically join the session. But if you want to schedule the session, for example, before time you want to create the session and on a specific date or time, you simply hit the three dot button, and here is a complete list of different options available. You can find out your all the recordings, and there is one option available, manage all sessions. Once you click on the manage all session, you can have the option to create the virtual classroom over there. In the end of the session, I can move to the real environment to show you that how you can do it. So keep in touch by end of the session. In the old view, that was with the name of virtual lectures, but here you can find out the virtual lectures with the name of class collaboration. So simply click on the join session and it will give you the option course room. Click on this one, it will take you to another tab, and rest of the things are similar to the virtual lectures which you could have in the old view. But in ultra view you can find out the course virtual classrooms, that is with the name of class collaboration. Now the important part gonna start, that is test assignment creation in Blackboard Learn Ultra, and be ready for the most amazing part of the Blackboard Ultra major upgrade that I told you, because we have discussed in the content area that you can create the content by using the auto generated module. Now the time to discuss about that how you can create the test assignments automatically by using this automatic tool. Simply, you need to click on the courses button, select your specific course, and once you click on this course, again, you can find out the content area. Simply click on the plus button, and you can have a similar list of the course content creation area. Here, you can find out different options, a list of options, and second number, you can find out that is once you click on the content creation area, you can find out in this list, on the bottom of the list, you can find out assessment. Simply click on the test, and then you can have the test creation area. You're gonna have the similar options which earlier you would have in the Blackboard Learn. In the once you click on the plus button, you can have a complete list of options available at questions pool at calculated formula. So there are more than 16 options, different options you can select to create the assessment. But here is a big change, that is like auto generated questions. So if you want to create the questions by using the auto generated modules, so simply you need to enter the descriptions, select the course items if needed, select the questions types, complexity level, and number of questions, then simply hit the button generate. You can find out the similar options wherever you want to open the auto generated module. For example, if you are inside the main course content area and you want to create the courses content, that would be the name would appear auto generated content module. But if you similarly hit the button inside the test or the assignment area, it would have the name auto generate question. So rest of the option would remain same, but the criteria and use would be different over here. So now we are going to create the questions. So in the description area, you simply enter short descriptions or learning objective or the topic or the chapter informations, whatever you want to enter over here, and whatever you're looking for the test to create, you simply enter all the information or the description in this area, and you can find out rest of the things you need to done. And you simply select the courses question types. Either you want the short question answer, you are going to have the fill in the blanks or multiple choices, whatever the questions you want to select. Rest of the things can be done by the auto generated question module. So you can have all the questions in the form of like the complete questionnaire in front of you on the right side, and here they can select that is automatically shows that which question is correct. So you simply check the different boxes and add to the assignment. Similarly, you need to you can set the complexity level and you can set the number of questions, and once you're done and generated, you can select in the list how many questions you wanted. But again, I'm telling you, this is auto generated content, and again needs to be checked for the accuracy, because this is being a teacher and the faculty, this is our responsibility to verify all the informations which we have created. And we, because we ask the question to the machine and they respond based on our descriptions. It might possible we didn't convey the proper information to the machines, and it could have the, I mean, like there is the mistake or the wrong informations can be created or generated from the machine. So it's our responsibility to check to make it I mean, like all the content whatever you have generated by the machine, you need to check them for the accuracy. So once you done, you added all the questions inside your assessment. You need to set some like assessment settings. So on the top, you can have the content and setting, then submission, student activity, question analysis. On the right side, you can find out assessment settings. That is due date, whatever the date you want to set, you can set in this area. The grade category and the grading, how many points you want to adjust, you can do it by yourself. And the next, that is attempts allowed. These all options are familiar for all the faculty, because in the Blackboard Learn could have the similar options and you already used it. Then the next good thing is that originality report can be selected in this area, and in originality report that is by default enabled, but if you want to make it disable, it's up to you. Allow students to view the safe assigned original report for their attempts. You can check this one. You can exclude the submission from the institution and global references databases as well, and simply hit the button save once you're done with all the settings. Now time to discuss in detail about the practical tutorial, that how it can happen in the real environment. So let's have a look this tutorial video. Hi everyone, in this video we are going to explore the AI generated content features inside Blackboard Ultra. To access it, simply click on the courses button and then open the course content area. Here click on the plus button and from the options select auto generated content. Once you click on this, you will see the magic. Content will be generated automatically. You can further customize it by adding descriptions and adjusting other available options.